What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got something to share with you guys that I am really excited about, something I've been working on for a while. No, I didn't actually set up a brick and mortar store. That'd be really cool, but I don't have the means to do that. I did, however, set up an online store that has all of my most recommended knives and gear in one place. That's easy for me to manage. It's easy for you guys to navigate. I know why you guys watch my channel, right? The most common question that I get every day, multiple times a day, is do you recommend X knife? And if so, where can I get it? In the past, I just pointed them towards my review of the knife or in my description towards a link if I have one. The problem is that those links sometimes become outdated, and I've got 750 plus uploads, and it's really hard for me to go back and manage all of those. So what I did here, if you scroll down, literally in the description of the video you're watching right now, you will find this right here. It says My Amazon Store, the very best knives and gear, and then there's a link. Now, if you're on mobile, I'm gonna try and maneuver this. You literally, all you need to do is push that little arrow right here, and it'll pull down the description. I don't know if you guys saw that. It's that little arrow right there on your phone or your tablet, and it'll pull the description down. It says My Amazon Store, the very best knives and gear, just like I showed on desktop here. And what you're gonna do is click that link. That link will take you to my Amazon store, and on the store, let's see if I can move the laptop just a little bit so you guys can see all of this. The store will actually show pictures and categories of things, which is different from my individual links. It also allows me to update this whenever I want. So if I find a new knife and I review it and it's something that I love, I can add it to my most recommended knives section, or my best budget knives section, or my fixed blade section, my EDC gear section. And then I've also got brands like Spyderco, Benchmade, ZT, WE Knives, Leatherman Multi-Tools, Cold Steel, and Knife Maintenance. You guys know I'm always talking about knife maintenance on the channel. More things will be added in the future. So if you see a brand or a category that I should have in here, chances are I'm likely already working on it. But like I said, this allows me to control this, right? Rather than go back and edit every single video and all the links in the video, I can just edit my store, which is already more convenient visually and in terms of navigation for anybody who is, you're here because you've got an itch, right? You're scouting your next purchase and you just want to know. It's like, dude, I don't want to go back and watch all 750 of your videos. I just want to know what you recommend. I get that, believe me. So this is beneficial for me and it's beneficial for you. Like I said, I'm going to be adding more stuff to this. By the way, if it's a dealer exclusive, I'm not going to be suggesting like, here's the dealer exclusive, but you should go to my store. No, if it's a dealer exclusive, then I'm obviously going to send you guys in the direction of that dealer. Knives that you're going to see here are, number one, knives that are available. They have to actually be available on Amazon. So those of you who are wondering, like, where's the Ritter Hogue? Well, the Ritter Hogue is a KnifeWorks exclusive. So even though it's one of my favorite knives out there, it's not going to be something that you're going to find here. But everything else that's available, knives that are generally sold by a multitude of very popular online retailers, I've sort of just put them all right here in one store. So I urge you guys, to check this out. And like I said, I will be updating it periodically. This is another sort of step in my own personal channel's constant quality improvement. I'm constantly trying to make this channel more convenient, more accessible to people, whether you're, somebody who's been subscribed to me since day one, or you're somebody who's just subscribed, whether you're a veteran to the knife world and you know substantially more than I do, or you're brand new to my channel and you're just trying to figure out, like, what's the best thing to start with. Regardless of your budget, whether you only want to spend 20 bucks or you want to spend 500 bucks, whether you want a folding knife or a fixed blade or EDC gear or a multi-tool, that's what this page is all about. It's to help you find what's right for you, right? Based on the stuff that I recommend. It's just more convenient than my just absolute cluster bomb of a description. Now, in the future, you will start seeing this link right at the top of each description every single time. This one right here. You're always going to see that, but you're also going to continue to see, like, my merch store, my Patreon, my second YouTube channel, and then you're still going to see the individual links. Anyways, I hope you guys are excited about this. I hope you guys, those of you who are actually in search of your next knife, find this a lot easier. If you enjoyed this video, you like the idea of this shop, or you're feeling positive for any reason, give this video a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.